Welcome everybody. Tom Knight says drink driving's okay.
Wait, hang on, no.
I had a little off, yeah. I had to cut the bill off, yeah. But if we been real though, yeah. No, I will never feel nothing. I said to jump in the gun, yeah, like I do it for fun. You act like you do it for real, but no, you not on the vibe, so you never could come. Decided it's good.
Hello, welcome back to the show. I'm coming live from underneath an LS430. And check this out. Last video, we did the sump. This video, it's got a fresh one. Let's go! So if you remember last video, we obliterated the sump, quite literally. Oh, that's a... Whoa! You can hear all the fucking... There's remnants of that on the road. But once I've got it up in the air now, as you can see, the subframe was also not very happy with us. That is a big split. I need to pull this back, like, it's quite sharp, but clamp it back together and then have someone run a weld along it. Fresh oil filter, fresh sump, she's full of oil. Yeah, this is why it's a little bit loud now. That, my friends, is one flat exhaust. Look at that, that is artwork, isn't it? That is art. So yeah, just one show absolutely ruined the underside of this thing. It's the day before we leave for Poland tomorrow. And the thing is still pretty much as we left it when we did the sump. These are the monsters we were drinking on the day we did the sump. I had a Vaseline in there and it's leaked out over all of this. That is all horrid now. These are some of the bits that we never managed to get done in time, but we'll get done after we get back. This is to get it out of limp mode, so we're actually going to Poland in limp mode. This is the under tray, and there's all the colas we bought on the day. And the you see what I mean? It's pretty much as we left it. And you can't really tell because of the secret car that you're gonna see, that you've probably already seen since when this video goes live, but there was oil here. It's slowly washed itself away. There's still bits of it. We've done our last event in this, so this thing is pretty much done though. I'm gonna use it now to jump this because the battery is quite literally flat. All I need to do is set up the coilovers and we're ready to go tomorrow. So an update on what we've done to get this thing ready. Put a fresh sump on it, fresh oil filter, and then up there, can you see that? Some engine razor plates. We've had to use MX-5 Destroy or Die, MX-5 engine razor plates because the LS430 ones are only made in America. They're more expensive for one, and you can't get them here, we couldn't get them here in time for Poland. So we've made do with MX-5 ones. They work. I just needed to stack two. So it's a 12mm raise. It's a bit sketchy on the subframe engine mount bolts. Put coilover socks on your vehicles. If you're cold, they're cold. The battered and bruised Lexus then got some final adjustments and was put back on the ground, ready for its first start after getting a fresh sump. Oh shit, I forgot. It's dead. Heroes is giving its life for the Lexus. Here we go. Here we go. We got a light on. Here we go. Yes! She's back! She's back! Oh, sweet Lord Jesus. You don't know how long I've waited for this moment. She moves! And then that was it. Ultrace, Wroclaw, Poland, 2,000 miles, 12 hours each way, at least. And we had to do all that in a car that hadn't even had a test drive since having a fresh sump put on it. What could possibly go wrong?
As you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the drinks arrive, just as they play your favorite song, as your body disappears. No one could wind up like a spring before you had too much. Come back and focus again. The walls have been in shape. They got a Cheshire cat grin, all blurring into one. This place is on a mission. Before the night out, before the animal noises closer get cameras, before you come at all. Between the notes, the beat goes round and round. The beat goes round.
Good morning. We had a bit of a thing last night. Yeah. Yeah, that wheel was falling off. So, I need to sort that out. The other side's pretty much the same, which is not good.
I'm working on mine. Penny X.
You couldn't live it, couldn't be it, couldn't want it. Want it? I live the dream. Yeah, I live the dream. Yeah, baby, I live the dream. Reach out your hand for me. We in the hands, baby, we walking around casually. How much money you got? Bitch, it don't matter to me. How many cars you got? Bitch, it don't matter to me. I just hit the left, the swerve off the fuck. Love the way your ass look, baby, I love the curve. I was drunk as fuck, I crashed the Ferrari, bitch, it's on the curb. Money don't mean nothing to me, bitch, show me what you worth. Show me what you worth in, show me what we working with. Show me how you move it, then show me what you do with it. All the chains on me, bitch, I feel like a coolin' kid. I'm about to smash, I bring that hammer, I got my tool to get that bitch. Come inside with me, baby, this money crazy as a lately. Got the whips outside gon' raise it, I got this Maybach on 10s. I put this bitch on the fence. Yeah, you don't got cut up, baby, you caught the barbed wire fence. Oh, you climb, oh, you climb, oh, you climb on me. Oh, you climb, oh, you climb, oh, you climb on me. She gon' jump over the fence and climb on me. Climax with me, baby, you want it, let's go. Riding in the road, took it to the hills. What you want for? Show me what's real. God put me in, take up with the wheel. Bitch, you back again, you already know the drill. Yeah, let's plenty, yeah,
Repetition is the father of learning. I repeat, repetition is the father of learning. Intelligence, all that comes from repetition. Awareness, preparation, all that comes from repetition. Money, bitches, all that comes from repetition.
That's so on the pitch. That is so on the pitch. Yeah, that's so on the pitch.
That's really fucking wrong.
I think that your mind is gone. I think you shouldn't glorify. Shut up, you don't know me. Squeal like a pig when you
Fly around the world, married to the game, bitch to a frame. I ain't gon' change. Tell me what else. Tell me, it's easier to scream. I say it straight to hell. I love hell, hell on earth. It's a bird smell. As far as I can tell, you can keep it in the well. I don't wish you well, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, richer than the world, got this no kind of money. You should see these new bills, you wouldn't know any better. I just put it all together, send a note to Atlanta. Write my sins off, no blood better. Turn the wheel to the left, right, not better. Go please, fake bitch, that big wheel's not better. I can tell a couple lies, yeah, you can tell misled them. Look me in the eyes, don't tell me what you see. And I randomly tweak, I knock you off your feet. I've been out for weeks, it get easier for me. But don't tell me, go help yourself, you can go and die. Do what you want, I won't hold the gun. I won't hold a grudge. But imagine me there, with a dead blank stare. I was trying to warn you, but it seems like you don't care. It is fine, that's fair. I would never care. I don't need to see, I don't need to hear. I don't wanna talk to you, I don't want you near. I never would care, cause that life ain't fair. It's fair enough to me, I'ma let you feel free. And I do it better so I know that you can fail. I do it for me, I don't do it for you. And it's cool, not a bag, it's a bag, it's cool. I can't go back on my word, and that be rude. Yeah, I like being disrespectful, and that's cool. I'm gonna break your part and feed the fish for food. We'll live in the dirt, live on the moon. I guess 2093 is not for you. What do I need from you? Give me things. I wish you feel like you feel like me. I wish you could see like me. It's more like this, more like this, more like this, more like this. I tell you that now, tell you that now. I want you to feel, I want you to feel. Every day is new, every day is new, every day is new. Either or, can't live forever. Yeah, I was born to live forever. Forever. Don't feel good. You say feel good. I'ma let you cry. I'ma let you die.
I can't believe you made it, to be honest. Look at where we are. This is mental. Oi, surfing, mate. Shall we see how many miles? How many miles we done? She on 939 miles this trip. Ridiculous. I think we can do that. Free on the go.
Guys, it's me, Luv Luv Racing. Hello everyone.
Yeah.
You fucking look at this. Go like full gangster now. This is a Luv Luv endorsement for drink driving, by the way. You're live.
Live on what?
Luv Luv fucking YouTube and that.
Fantastic. Well, welcome everybody. Tom Knight says drink driving's okay.
Wait, hang on. No. Hang on, pause.
Rephrase that. Tom says drink driving's okay in other countries, is what Tom said.
Does Tom say that?
Yeah.
That's really quite bad of you, you know.
We're in Poland and that. We're in Poland. Are you fucking take the piss out of me?
No.
Poland is a city of arts, culture and hearts.
We're in the city of arts, culture and art.
An arse culture.
Luxury apartment.
luxurious apartments.
Horticultural oasis.
My apartment's a patina apartment.
Huh?
It's called a rustic apartment. It's patina.
Bro's got air-cooled apartment.
I actually do, you know.
Fucking K70 on that apartment.
K70.
Bro keeps coming out of Zoom like a fucking freak.
Alright, yeah, sound.
Dropping like a politician.
Your auto zoom sucks ass, bro.
Auto zoom?
Autofocus is what I meant to say.
Autofocus is sick on Sony's.
Catch bro in bed with auto zoom.
No,
Your auto zoom sucks real good, you know.
Oh, that fucking
shit.
Like a zesty Henry.
I ain't mean to burst your bubble, but I ain't into making change. I'ma stay the same, bring it to my level.
If we be real, I don't know how to feel.
I've been overseas, you've been on your knees. No, you begging, please. It's nothing left to see, nothing left to feel. Why you in the field? Why you so real? Tell me how you feel. Why you make me feel the way I feel? Will you make me feel better? Always clash your heads, yeah, when somebody think they know better.
Who the fuck is you? Got better things to do. I don't got time to waste. I just need my space. It's a couple things that I can't feel, but I can't feel my face. It's a couple things that I wish I could, but I can't replace. I think it's a sickness, being so selfish, yeah. I'm in need of a witness. They always tell me, yeah, never forget this. I forget everything, I don't even know what my tip is. And I'll change everything, I don't know how to top this.